Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to have my melting basket. What did I call it now? My so-called melts. No, that's actually my warm reviews. Okay, this is off to a good start. So basically what I did is I picked a melting basket. I wasn't going to do them anymore because I always end up over picking. And then what happens is I end up putting the leftovers, like what I never got to, back in my office area where I keep my wax, and it never gets put back. So I have like piles of things in different bins that are just never getting put back. So I just tried to pull things that like I knew that for sure I wanted to warm, or you know, that interest me right now. So it's not a very big basket because I didn't want to go crazy just like pulling random things. I really like thought about it and was like, okay, I am going to start trying to pull at least one thing that's old or that I got from a D-stash to try and use up. And yeah, a couple other things. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is down below. I think it's Kim Hart's Organizing, or it's Kim Hart's, or I don't know, some crap. I don't even know what it is. But if you follow me over there, I've been trying to post the stories more often, like cleaning motivation type things, some random Lush baths, and I'll also like include some wax things as well. I just haven't been it's easier for me to do the cleaning motivations on Instagram versus a video. So also some upcoming videos that I have are, obviously I'll do like my weekly melts probably at the end of this week. And then I'm going to do a Valentine's Day tour because I did decorate for Valentine's. And then I might have a clean with me. I'm not sure. I haven't decided if I have the energy to do it yet. And then what was the other one? Adam requested a tour of my wax organization and storage. That should be interesting because there's a lot of cleaning that needs to happen before that happens. So I'm trying to work on that, and so hopefully that'll be coming up really soon. And I have a few other ideas floating around, but nothing concrete. Like those are just the ones off the top of my head, or like the one that Adam requested. I was like, you know, I haven't done a wax organization and storage in a while. So yeah, so I've slowly been kind of destashing a little bit here and there just to kind of like calm my anxiety down a little bit. Still haven't bought any wax. I almost got tempted by Super Tarts, but I was like, no, Super Tarts can hang on to your melts, and when you're ready to buy like your favorites, they'll be there. You know, or you'll get them at some point. It's no biggie. So yeah, so that's that. But let's go ahead and get into this melting basket. So what I did is I have this basket here that I got from Golden Willow Waxes, and I'm trying to remember the name of the store that makes this, and of course I can't find it. It's like one little I don't even want to say because I'm not sure. That was like one little bird or something of that nature, but it's got cute little pom-poms, and it had the hearts. That's why I pulled it out, because I was like, well, it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I tried not to overfill this. I just want to be able to set it somewhere and not have it like fall out. You know, seems like I always have more than the basket can hold. So I'm also looking for another basket. My friend Ramona had a basket yesterday that I was like, you know what, I need that basket. But probably in reality, I probably have a basket I can use somewhere. I just wanted something cute, and that one looked really cute. All right, so here is the first thing I'm going to tackle that's old that I got from a D-stash that I really need to try to use up. I don't know what I was thinking. This is Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy Roses Princess of Monaco Overpour. So it's lemon curd marshmallow. And then I think Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy is maybe like rainbow sherbet or something. It's a pretty large quantity here. I think it's, I don't even know, maybe it's 8 ounces it says here. It says 8 ounces, I'm not sure, it might be more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this, and then I pulled out Christmas cookies from Super Tarts, but while I was pulling this, I was thinking, you know what, I should also do like maybe Monster Cookie from Rose Girls, or what's the other one? Is it, oh, what the hell? I don't know. There's another one that I wanted to mix it with like a cookie scent, because I feel like lemon curd on its own and rainbow sherbet together can be really fruity, and I really need to tone it down with like a bakery scent. So Christmas cookie smells really good. I'll have to show you this. This is either a ravioli or a little Pop-Tart. It looks like a ravioli to me, but it's cute. Super cute. Christmas cookies actually smells really good. It reminds me of something that Super Tarts makes, but I can't quite put my finger on it. So I'm going to try to mix that with that one. Okay. And then I grabbed a bag of, I always have to have some sort of coffee. So I grabbed Coffee with Friends from Sassy Girl Aroma. It's coffee house lattes, soft baked pretzels, hazelnut cream. If I remember, I really like this one. So I think I was trying to like hoard the rest of it. I grabbed House of Sark. This is a favorite. I think I have 2 of these, so I was fine pulling one, but I really want to hang on to one because this is one I want to reorder if I run out. This one's really good. This has probably been one of my favorites for a while. Let's see, we'll try to push that there. Okay. Then the next one I wanted to warm is Outlander. So this is, let's see. I can't hardly read it. Green tweed, blue lagoon water, fresh ozone, greens, and peppermint. So that's Outlander. Have you guys watched the Outlander series? That is a really good series. I love that. This one smells like soap to me. Like a really nice soap. I figured since I was trying to really focus on cleaning, and I don't know if you guys have been like getting caught up in that Marie Kondo. It seems like everybody's doing that now. Everybody's doing the KonMari method. So I was like, I've been like really intense on trying to declutter things and get things cleaned up. I've reached my final point, you know. So there's that. Okay, so I have mango sugar dusted mandarin oranges. This is a little cookie that I got from, I guess it was Easter. Yeah, it was last Easter because she was doing like what she called the one-offs, I think. And I love mango mixed with, oh, wait a second. This is sugar dusted mandarin oranges. Oh, okay. I thought it was like with cookies or something, whatever. So there's that. And then I have lemon curd, zucchini bread, waffle cone. I need to remember this mix because honestly, it smells amazing. Yeah, actually, this would probably be good. Like I should mix, I'm pretty sure I have zucchini bread and waffle cone in either mini melters or potion packs, and I should mix it with that Boogie Woogie and Princess of Monaco blend. This one is Killer Clowns. I don't know, this one was sitting around and I picked it up and I was like, you know what, that smells really good. I'm gonna try that. The next one is Susan, and I really like the scent of this. Chocolate orchid, fireside cotton candy frosting, and mellow fluff. It just smells, it just smells like it's gonna be so good. In fact, that was one of the ones I went to the site to go get another one of because it just sounded good. And then the wardrobe sounded like the perfect like cleaning type thing. Lavender laundry raindrops, kumquats, and orange zest. Yeah, this one I think will be good. It's pretty heavy on the citrus scent. And then also what I did was I pulled one thing from my VCS that was kind of on the older side that I've had for a while. This one's just been kind of sitting around and I don't know why I haven't pulled it out to warm it yet, but this is the Mind Reader Blackberry Pear Cider. And let me have a whiff of this and see. Oh, this is pretty. It's got these, oh, that smells good. Okay, so someone, I think it was Victoria, I don't think she watches my videos, but if you've seen her in the groups, she's a really, well, her profile picture is really pretty, so I always like recognize her, but this one, oh man. This one smells great. I don't know, it's low on the blackberry. Like the blackberry is definitely not dominant here. Oh, that's good. Or if it is blackberry, it's one of those ones that's not, it's like a sweet, juicy blackberry, but that blackberry is not prominent at all in there. So hopefully this one turns out really good. So that is the Mind Reader. So I've had this is like a deluxe blossom bag. So I have a huge quantity of this and I was like, you know what? You really need to dive into that soon. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Like if you follow me on Instagram, one, I've been trying to decrease my Lush stash, which has gotten out of control, or was out of control. It's actually starting to get back under control now. And then also I've been getting rid of stuff like, oh, that's the other thing. We have a Facebook group. It's called My So-Called Organized Life. And I'll try to remember to put the link down here. I always forget. If you want to come join us, we try to post pictures. I've been posting pictures or trying to of 10 things I'm throwing away every day and 10 things I'm donating every day, even though I'm technically doing more. But I just try to pull 10 things and post a picture, and then I start like a post, and then people are supposed to like follow along with me or like post their pictures as well to try to get motivation going. So if you're interested in joining that group, come along with us. We are trying to become a bigger group. We're not a very big group right now. So if you want kind of like a small, non-intimidating group, then that would be good. What else did I want to say? I just mostly wanted to say, come follow me on Instagram, because I feel like I see you guys more on Instagram than here. It's just easier for me to like upload things to Instagram than it is to YouTube. You know what I mean? So yeah. Okay. So that's my melting basket. I've already got some melts going from this past week. I didn't pull a basket or anything. I was just kind of pulling some random things. So if you're interested in the warm reviews, they should come around next week. Today is Saturday, so yeah, I'll definitely have something by next week to share. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and just, yeah, comment down below. What should I ask you guys? I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas for videos? Anything you want to see that I didn't already mention? I'm interested. Are you guys interested in a Valentine's tour? I just kind of do those things sometimes when I feel like I've decorated for a holiday. I'm like, screw it, I might as well. I've also done a little bit of redecorating, like I've added some new things. So I kind of like, I'll probably show those in my tour or whatever. Okay, that's it, you guys. This is long enough. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.